Hello everyone, today's video is about creating a funnel inside GoHighLevel. For that, all you need to do is go to the sub account where you want to build a funnel. Then go to sites and hit funnels. Then you will select create new funnel button. Now you have two options. The first one is to start everything from scratch, and the second one is to use GoHighLevel templates, which will definitely save a lot of your time. So for now, I'm going to go with the second option, and here you can see a lot of templates. You can either explore all of the templates by selecting all categories, or you can select a particular category. Let's say we want to make a funnel for some home service. So you can select home service. And if you want to be more specific, then you can type in flooring or any other home service in the search bar, and GoHighLevel will provide you specific funnels that you can customize to your needs or your preference. Now you can preview these funnels to see how it look like and how you can customize it for your client. So for now, I will go with this funnel and I will hit continue button, and here it is. Now, before we start building a funnel, you must know that there is no hard and fast rule to build the funnel, because it completely depends on your goals or what you want to achieve from your funnels. And the whole purpose of this video is to give you an idea of how you can use all of these different options of GoHighLevel funnels and how you can customize GoHighLevel funnel templates to make the funnel for your business or for your client. So first of all, you can see there is a header at the top where you can add your business logo. For that, you will simply click here, and then you will go to image option, and next you will import the image inside GoHighLevel. Next, you will click on the image you imported, and here it is. You can also adjust its dimensions by using the settings section. Next, we have the hero section where we can add any offer like discount offer at the top, or you can simply remove it if you want. Next, you can edit the heading. For that, you will simply click here and type in whatever you want, like premium floor installation and repair services. After the heading, you can add description of your services, which you can edit too, like we just did over here. And then we have a button, and if you click on this button, you will get all of the button settings. And if you scroll down, you can see text option. Now, if you want to change this button text to something else like book an appointment, then you can do it here. Next, you have the button action, which defines what happens when someone clicks on this button. You can change it from here. For now, I want to keep it to the next step, so I will click on next step. Then you have another section where we have further description of flooring services, which you can edit just the way we did in above section. Now let's say we want to add a form in this section to get leads information. For that, you will copy this column, and then you will remove all of these elements. Next, you will add form element. Then you will select the form that you want to add here. And here it is. You can also add some other elements like surveys, calendars, or any other element that you want depending upon your funnel goals or needs. Next, you can also add further section to reflect your services, testimonials, or any other stuff that you want to share with your funnel visitors. For example, you can add customer review section. For that, you will add a section. Then you will add a row, and next you can add an element like this one, and here we can type in what our happy customers are saying. Then you can add some images by simply adding another row, then add image element. Now you will import the images just like we did before in the first section. Then we can adjust the width and height of the image. And once you are satisfied with the image dimension, you can add another image for the Facebook reviews. Now you can add another row to add the customer reviews. We will add another typing element. Then we will add the customer name. Then you can add another element to add customer reviews. And once you are satisfied with all of its settings, you can copy this portion and add as much reviews as you want. But make sure that reviews are authentic and real. Don't ever try to add the fake reviews because it will never help you to get leads or clients. Now, once you are done with your reviews, you can add your work images. For that, you will add another section. Let's give it a name like Gallery of your recent projects. Now you will add the columns. And next you will select the image element. Now you will import all of the images that you want to display on your funnel. And next you will add the images that you have for flooring services in these columns by the same process that we followed in the above section for importing Google or the Facebook review images. Alright, we have added all of the images that we had for our services. Now you can also change the background color if you want. For that you will simply click here and then you will change the background color. Now you can add another section and then you will add a row. And here we can add the same button that we had in the second section to get the lead information. For that you will simply copy this element and you will bring this button all the way down to this section. In the other column you can add phone number. For that you can add call icon. And next you will add your phone number. You can make changes in these elements, like you can change their font, their width, or their color from these settings. Then we had the footer section where you will add your logo. And then you will provide your client's contact details. You can also provide their social platforms link if you want. For that, you will simply click on these images and this will bring up the settings section. And then you will be able to link your client's social account in this section. Otherwise, you can remove it like this. Once you're done with your first funnel step, you can make the changes in other funnel steps, like we have thank you page, where you can edit or make changes if you want, like we did in our first funnel step. You can also see its mobile view and make changes in your funnel mobile view by simply using these settings. For now, I'm completely okay with all of this mobile view, and we can just go to other steps from this section. Alright, we have discussed pretty much everything that you should know before you start making a funnel inside GoHighLevel. And again, it's completely up to you how you design your funnel. I just wanted to give you an idea of funnel building in GoHighLevel so that you can customize it for your clients and collect leads information by adding the form, surveys, or any other way that you want. But if you have any queries in making GoHighLevel funnels, you can ask me in the comment section. You can also save this playlist for free online GoHighLevel complete course. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.